Are you an aspiring affiliate marketer looking to maximize your earnings? Tired of promoting low-commission products that barely cover your expenses? If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel and press like button. In the ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. As we approach 2025, new opportunities are emerging that promise substantial rewards for savvy marketers. Today, we'll dive deep into 5 of the most lucrative affiliate programs set to dominate the industry in the coming years. First on our list is the Amazon Associates program. While Amazon has long been a staple in the affiliate marketing world, they're continually updating their offerings to remain competitive. In 2025, we expect to see even more attractive commission rates and a wider range of products available for promotion. One of the key advantages of the Amazon Associates program is its universal appeal. With millions of products across countless categories, there's something for every niche. Whether you're in the tech space, fashion, home decor, or even pet supplies, you'll find relevant products to promote. Amazon's commission structure is tiered, meaning the more you sell, the higher your earnings potential. In 2025, we anticipate seeing rates as high as 15% for certain product categories. This scalability makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced marketers looking to grow their income. Moreover, Amazon's trusted brand name and efficient delivery system make conversions easier. Customers are more likely to complete a purchase when they see the familiar Amazon logo, which translates to higher earnings for you. To make the most of the Amazon Associates program, focus on promoting products in higher-paying categories. Electronics, luxury beauty items, and Amazon's own devices typically offer the best commission rates. Also, consider leveraging Amazon's special promotions and deals to boost your conversions. Next up is the Shopify Affiliate Program, which is set to offer even more attractive terms in 2025. As e-commerce continues to boom, Shopify's platform is becoming increasingly popular among entrepreneurs and established businesses alike. The Shopify Affiliate Program stands out for its generous commission structure. In 2025, we expect to see affiliates earning up to $2,000 for each new merchant they bring to the platform. This is a significant increase from their current rates and reflects Shopify's commitment to rewarding their affiliates handsomely. What makes Shopify particularly appealing is its recurring commission model. Once you've referred a merchant who stays with the platform, you'll continue to earn a percentage of their subscription fees for up to 2 years. This creates a steady stream of passive income that can grow substantially over time. To succeed with Shopify's affiliate program, focus on creating content that educates potential merchants about the benefits of using their platform. Tutorials, comparison articles, and case studies can be particularly effective in convincing business owners to make the switch to Shopify. Third on our list is the ClickBank Affiliate Program, which has been a favorite among digital marketers for years. In 2025, we expect ClickBank to introduce even more high-ticket items and digital products with commissions reaching up to 75% or more. ClickBank specializes in digital products, which typically offer higher commission rates compared to physical goods. These products range from ebooks and online courses to software and membership sites. The beauty of promoting digital products is that there are no shipping or inventory costs, allowing for higher profit margins. One of ClickBank's strengths is its diverse product catalog. Whether your audience is interested in health and fitness, personal development, or business and marketing, you'll find relevant products to promote. This versatility allows you to experiment with different niches and find the most profitable ones for your audience. In 2025, we anticipate ClickBank will introduce more advanced tracking and analytics tools, making it easier for affiliates to optimize their campaigns. They may also implement AI-powered product recommendations, helping you discover the most relevant and high-converting offers for your audience. To maximize your earnings with ClickBank, focus on promoting products with high gravity scores, which indicate how many affiliates have successfully sold the product recently. Also, look for products with attractive upsells and downsells, as these can significantly boost your commissions. Fourth on our list is the Bluehost Affiliate Program, which is expected to offer even more competitive rates in 2025. As the demand for web hosting services continues to grow, Bluehost is positioning itself as a leader in the affiliate space. Bluehost's affiliate program is known for its high payouts, with commissions currently reaching $65 per sale. In 2025, we anticipate these rates could increase to $100 or more per sale, making it one of the most lucrative programs in the web hosting niche. What sets Bluehost apart is its reputation as a reliable hosting provider. This makes it easier for affiliates to promote their services with confidence. Additionally, Bluehost offers a wide range of products beyond basic hosting, including domain registration, website builders, and professional email services. This variety allows you to earn commissions on multiple products from a single customer. To succeed with the Bluehost affiliate program, create content that targets people looking to start a website or blog. Tutorials on how to set up a WordPress site, comparisons of different hosting providers, and articles on the importance of reliable hosting can all be effective in driving conversions. Last but not least is the Fiverr affiliate program, which is poised for significant growth in 2025. As the gig economy expands and more people turn to freelancing, Fiverr's platform is becoming increasingly popular. Fiverr's affiliate program offers a unique opportunity to earn commissions on both first-time purchases and repeat buyers. In 2025, we expect to see commission rates of up to 30% or more, with additional bonuses for high-performing affiliates. What makes Fiverr particularly attractive is its wide range of services. From graphic design and writing to programming and digital marketing, there's a service for almost every need. This diversity allows you to promote Fiverr to various audience segments, maximizing your earning potential. In 2025, we anticipate Fiverr will introduce more advanced tracking tools and possibly even a tiered commission structure that rewards top-performing affiliates with higher rates. They may also expand their offerings to include more specialized and high-ticket services, opening up opportunities for even higher commissions. To succeed with Fiverr's affiliate program, focus on creating content that showcases the platform's diverse range of services. Success stories of businesses that have used Fiverr, comparisons of freelance platforms, and guides on how to outsource effectively can all be powerful in driving conversions. Now, let's discuss some general strategies to maximize your earnings across these affiliate programs in 2025. 1. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Promote products from multiple affiliate programs to create a more stable and diverse income. 2. Focus on providing value. Create high-quality content that genuinely helps your audience. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience is to trust your recommendations and make purchases through your affiliate links. 3. Stay up to date with industry trends. The affiliate marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Keep abreast of new technologies, marketing strategies, and emerging niches to stay ahead of the competition. 4. Leverage multiple marketing channels. Don't rely solely on one marketing method. Combine content marketing, email marketing, social media, and paid advertising to reach a wider audience and increase your conversions. 5. Optimize for mobile. With more people shopping on mobile devices, ensure your content and affiliate links are mobile-friendly to capture this growing market. 6. Use data to inform your decisions. Regularly analyze your performance metrics to understand what's working and what isn't. Use this data to refine your strategies and focus on the most profitable products and marketing channels. 7. Build an email list. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products. Build a list of engaged subscribers who trust your recommendations. 8. Leverage video content. As video consumption continues to grow, create video reviews, tutorials, and comparisons to showcase affiliate products in action. 9. Focus on SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. This can provide a steady stream of potential customers without ongoing advertising costs. 10. Build relationships with your audience. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and create a community around your brand. The more your audience trusts you, the more likely they are to act on your recommendations. As we look towards 2025, these 5 affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, Shopify, ClickBank, Bluehost, and Fiverr, offer exciting opportunities for substantial earnings. By diversifying your portfolio across these programs and implementing the strategies we've discussed, you can position yourself for success in the evolving world of affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, continuous learning, and a willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. But with persistence and the right approach, the potential for significant earnings is real. Start exploring these high-paying affiliate programs today and take your first step towards a more lucrative affiliate marketing career in 2025 and beyond.